Hi everyone. Hi guys, this is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. We all are here for a better future. So, how are you all guys? कैसे हैं आप लोग? How are you everyone? So, as you all know, what we are going to discuss today. Today we are going to do one of the most important topic, that is subscription. So today we will be discussing that what is the meaning of subscription and what is the treatment of subscription. Hi Chandni, a very good evening. Hi commerce student. Hi Anjali. Hi Sneha. Hi Monica. Hi everyone. So I hope that all of you have now registered for vote. अब तो सबने register कर लिया होगा, काफी time हो गया भाई. So if you have not registered yourself still, then what are you waiting for? Go and register yourself now for vote because ये सिर्फ exam नहीं है, ये comeback है. So you guys can still participate in vote either on 11th April or 18th April. And make a comeback this year with Vedantu online talent exam, which is V.O.T.E, because this is totally free. There will be no registration charges, no cost, nothing. Hi Unnati. Sneha, I am all good. What about you? Okay Unnati, today you registered for V.O.T.E. Great. Hi Nishan, good wala evening. So by participating in the vote, you all can get all India rank. You can get guaranteed scholarship from a pool of rupees 500 crore. You can win exciting prizes daily or weekly worth rupees 1 crore. And the most important thing, that you can become CEO of Vedantu for one full day. You can supervise all the teachers for one full day, and you can also win a trip to NASA. Hi Divya. So, if you want to win all these exciting prizes, mobile phone, watch, laptop, earphone, telescope, AirPod, and Kindle, then go and register yourself now. And if you don't know that how to register, then let me tell you that we have given all the link in the description box. So go to that link, enter your details and click on register. Once you register yourself, your voter ID card will be generated, after which you have to only select your voting days, that on which day you want to give a vote, and then it's all done. So, what are you waiting for? Go and check out the complete details about vote on our website or on the mobile app. Ma'am, I am Bihar. Both students in this class beneficial for me. Okay, commerce student. Hi, Anishka. Hi, Nishant. Hi, everyone. So, are you worried about the exam format? So, let me tell you that there will be total 3 subjects in vote: accounts, business studies, and economics. Every subject will have 30 questions. So, total there will be 90 questions. For every right answer, you will get 4 marks. For every wrong answer, there will be -1. And the time duration will be 90 minutes or 1.5 hours. So this is how the question paper would be structured. Now, don't you want to participate alone? Then don't worry, you can participate along with your friends. So participate along with your friends, play along with your friends to win big and exciting prizes together. So, जिसने रजिस्टर नहीं किया, जल्दी से जाके रजिस्टर करो. दिव्या, you are already registered. Okay. चांदनी, रजिस्टर नहीं हो रहा, दोबारा से ट्राई करो, हो जाएगा. तो चलिए आज की क्लास को शुरू किया जाए, एंड दिस इज योर शेड्यूल. After my session, you will be having 2 more sessions at 8 p.m. of Aditya sir of mathematics and at 9 p.m. of Neha ma'am of economics. So this is your schedule. Now, आज अपन लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? As you all know, this is class 12th accountancy session and this is for those students who are now coming to class 12. So this is class 12th new batch. And guys, if you are new to our channel Vedantu Commerce, or if you are watching this face for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more such classes. Also, make sure that you like this video because you have to motivate us for the next session. So do motivate us by giving a like to this video. It will take only 1 second to give a like, na? Also, do share it with your friends. And if you want to receive notes of the upcoming session of this session in PDF form, then you have to join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link of Telegram group is also provided in the description box below. Hi Ariba, how can I forget you? आपको कैसे भूल सकते हैं अरीबा? Hi Ankita. Hi Sakshi. So let's start our class 12th now. And today we will be continuing our first chapter, Financial Statements of NPO. And this is 5th lecture. And I hope that all of you have watched the previous 4 sessions. If you have not watched any of the previous session of this chapter, then please do watch it because all these sessions are equally important. Hi Ravendra. Now it's all okay, Nishan. Now I am feeling better than before. No, बिल्कुल भी नहीं लिया steam, तो I can't take steam. Hi Diya. Diya, I am all good. What about you? Okay, so now let's start this session. Before that, tell me how many of you have done the homework? So, in this session, we will be discussing these 3 topics. In this session, we will be discussing these 3 topics. Introduction to subscription, special and ordinary subscription, and then calculation of subscription. So, these are the topics that we will be covering in this session. तो अब मुझे बताएंगे कि कल का होमवर्क क्या था? First of all, tell me what was the homework given in the previous session, and then I will ask you what is it. So बताइए बच्चों, कल का होमवर्क क्या था? क्या दिया था मैंने कल होमवर्क में? उन्नति, you were there in the previous session ना? अक्षरा को भी नहीं पता क्या होमवर्क था. So, the homework given in the previous session was, yes Anishka, you are right. Yes, Nishant is also right. It's okay Unnati, it's okay guys. So, this was yesterday's homework. Difference between receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account. This was given in the previous session. So now, first of all, we will discuss our homework and then we will continue our today's session. तो पहले homework करते हैं, then हम आज की class को शुरू करेंगे. Okay, Ravendra, I can understand you are new, so you must not be aware of your homework. So now coming on to the difference of receipt and payment account. So first basis is purpose. Hi Subhashni, of course I do remember you. So the first is purpose. So what is the purpose of receipt and payment account? The purpose of receipt and payment account is to find out the difference between 2 sides. The difference, it is the receipt and payment account, it is prepared to find out the difference between cash and banking transaction on both these sides. So it is prepared to show the difference between two sides showing cash and bank balance at the end. And income and expenditure account, it is prepared to find out surplus or deficit. Hi Subhashni, I am all good. What about you? So the purpose of income and expenditure account, it is to find out surplus or deficit. Hi Rashid. Commerce student, try again if it is not working. Practical problem, Subhashni, because this is a part of practical problem. If you will not do the treatment of subscription, then you will not be able to solve the question of income and expenditure account. So first of all, we will discuss each item separately, which is going to be there in practical question. Once preparing our base, we will come to the practical question, because in practical question you will be asked to do the treatment for subscription. If you don't know that, then you cannot answer the complete question. So therefore, first we will do this and then we will come to the practical question. Diya, guys, I will be replying to everyone's comment, but at the end, first let me complete this session, because if I will keep answering to your comments, I will not be able to complete this session. So please give me some time to teach this session and then I will be answering to your comments. No, Anushka, I forgot to keep water by my side. Okay. So purpose, we have already done that. The purpose of receipt and payment account, it is to find out the difference between the both side, which will be the difference between cash and banking transaction. But the purpose of income and expenditure account, it is to find out surplus or deficit. Coming to the second point, that is nature. What is the nature of these accounts? So receipt and payment account, as we know, it is a summary of cash transaction and banking transaction. So we can only write down, it is not compulsory to write down this long paragraph. We can only write down that it is a real account in nature. Receipt and payment account, it is a real account, and income and expenditure account, it is a nominal account. We will not write down these long paragraph and difference. हमें point to point लिखना है, तो main चीज है वो लिखनी है. So receipt and payment account, the nature is it is a real account, and income and expenditure account, it is nominal account. Then form. What is the form of format? You can say it format. Now, receipt and payment account, it records receipt on the debit side. All the money received is recorded on the debit side, and all the payment are recorded on the credit side. So it record receipt on the debit side and payment on the credit side. Whereas in income and expenditure account, expenditures and losses, expenses and losses are recorded on the debit side, and income and gain are recorded on the credit side. So receipt and payment account, it record receipt on the debit side, payment on the credit side. Income and expenditure account, it record expenses and losses on the debit side, and income and gain on the credit side. Then coming on to the balance. So it is not clear. So receipt and payment account, as we know that receipt and payment account, it start with the opening balance of cash at bank and it ends with the closing balance of cash in bank. So receipt and payment account, it has opening balance and it has closing balance. It has both opening and closing balance. So receipt and payment account, opening balance means cash and bank in the beginning, and closing balance means cash and bank at the end. अरीबा इससे पहले 4 सेशन हो चुके हैं, दिस इज 5th सेशन. Then in income and expenditure account, there is no opening balance. In income and expenditure account, there is no opening balance. So opening balance does not exist in this account, and the closing balance will be either surplus or deficit. Closing balance will be either surplus or deficit. Anil Rock, we are doing class 12th session, and if you want to know what is liability, you can join us in class 11 session, which we haven't started yet. In this session, I can't explain you liability because this is for class 12 students, not for 11th. So, this was the 4th point, balance. Receipt and payment account, it will have both the balance opening and closing. But income and expenditure account, it will only have closing balance. Opening balance will not exist. Hi Ritesh. Then coming on to the next few points. So the next point is capital and revenue item. So we know that in receipt and payment account, all the receipt and all the payment are recorded. Receipt and payment account, it record receipt and payment item of capital as well as revenue nature. Capital and revenue nature, both the item are recorded in this account. Then income and expenditure account. In income and expenditure account, we only record revenue nature item. So in this, it record income and expenses of revenue nature only. Income and expenditure account, it record item of revenue nature only. Items of capital nature are not recorded in income and expenditure account. Meghna, next time, please join on time. Then we have next point, content. So, what are the content of these accounts? In receipt and payment account, you will record receipt and payment. So, it record receipt and payment. Whether it is of past year, current year or succeeding year. It does not matter in the receipt and payment account that to which year it belongs to. The total receipt and total payment will be recorded whether it is of current year, next year or previous year. But in the income and expenditure account, it record income and expenses of current year only. So it record income and expenses of current year only. Then coming on to the adjustment. So receipt and payment account, it follow the cash basis of accounting. So no adjustments are made because it follow cash basis of accounting. Income and expenditure account, it follow the accrual basis of accounting. Therefore, adjustments are to be made. You will record adjustment in income and expenditure account. Then coming on to the last point, that is depreciation. So depreciation will not be recorded. It will not be recorded in receipt and payment account. Why? Because non-cash items like depreciation are ignored. Because receipt and payment account, it is prepared on cash basis. So non-cash item like depreciation, it will be ignored. But income and expenditure account, it is prepared on accrual basis. So you will record depreciation in income and expenditure account. So it records non-cash item like depreciation. So these are the points of difference between receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account. So this was your homework for yesterday. No, Diya. Both are prepared at the end of the year. Whether it is income and expenditure account or whether it is receipt and payment account, both will be prepared at the end of the year. Now tell me, is this clear to everyone? Shall we proceed to our today's session? ये सबको क्लियर है या नहीं है? Clear. Okay. So now coming on to the today's session, and the name of the topic is subscription. Name of the topic is subscription. Let's start with today's session. Yes, Anishka, let's start with today's session. Simply समझाना, simply समझाएंगे. So, we all watch web series, or we all may download mobile app like Z5, Disney Hotstar, Netflix, and many other apps. So, when we download such app like V.O.T.E, Z5, Netflix, Disney Hotstar, they ask us for subscription because we want to become a part of that application, or we want to become a part of that particular organization. So to become a member, you have to pay some fees that is known as subscription fees. अगर आपको किसी चीज में एंटर होना है, if you want to enter a particular organization, then you have to pay some fees that is known as subscription. So subscription का मतलब क्या है? What is subscription? It is a source of income for NPO, because when a person will become the member of NPO, that person has to pay subscription. So it is paid by member. It is paid by member periodically. Members क्या करेंगे? Periodically pay करेंगे. We pay subscription of Netflix every month. We pay subscription of Z5, V.O.T.E or any application monthly. हर महीने जाती है. Similarly, here also subscription will be continuous. Like, we ask you to take Pro subscription. That is what? If you want to become a part of Vedantu, you have to take Pro subscription. So this is that subscription. If you want to join any NPO, you have to pay subscription. Yes, Devya, it is like admission fees. So subscription is paid by members periodically. It is paid periodically, which can be quarterly, half yearly, so that their membership remain alive. Now this subscription you can pay monthly, you can pay quarterly, you can pay half yearly, or you can pay yearly. आप हर महीने दो, 4 महीने, 3 महीने बाद दो, 6 महीने बाद दो, या 1 साल की एक बार में दे दो. That depends on you, that how you want to pay that, but it will be periodically. Kunthal, please focus on the session, not on the nail paint. Yes, Anishka, we pay the subscription regularly so that our membership remains alive. Then the total amount of subscription relating to the current year. Total subscription of current year, whether received or not, are to be shown on the credit side of income and expenditure account, because subscription is income and income are recorded on the credit side. So total subscription of current year, whether it is received or not received, you will record on the credit side of income and expenditure account. Then amount relating to the current year not received. For example, current year subscription is current year subscription is 1 lakh, out of which 40,000 is not received and 60,000 is received. So, amount of current year which is not received, it is your accrued income. ये तो हमने क्लास 11th में पढ़ा है. This is accrued income, income earned but not received. This is accrued income, income earned but not received. And this is your asset. It is your asset. So it will be shown as an asset in the balance sheet as outstanding income. So accrued income, it is also known as outstanding income. It is also known as outstanding income. So the current year subscription which is not received, it will be shown as an asset in the balance sheet as outstanding income. And in the current year 2021, if I have received 1 lakh for 2022, अगर मुझे करंट ईयर में कोई अमाउंट मिली है फॉर फ्यूचर ईयर, फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर, देन this is my liability because I have received in advance. So if anything is received for the next year, that is advance and it is your liability. So you will record as a liability in the balance sheet as advance income. Unnati, it is not known as prepaid income. It is not known as prepaid income, guys. Please don't call it prepaid income. It is income received in advance. It is not paid. It is pre-received income. It is pre-received income, not prepaid income. It is prepaid expense. You cannot call it prepaid income. You do not pay income, you receive it. So it will be pre-received income. क्या हुआ बच्चों आप लोगों को? It is pre-received income, not prepaid. So this was the meaning of subscription. Now tell me, is it clear to everyone what is subscription and how it will be treated? ये समझ आया सबको? Aditya, I can't understand that why you are calling yourself fool again and again. आप अपने आप को फूल क्यों बोल रहे हो बार बार? Why? Crystal clear. Okay. Now coming on to the main, subscription can be of two types. Subscription can be of two types. निशान सेकंड वाला पॉइंट, निशान सेकंड पॉइंट है कि यू कैन पे दी सब्सक्रिप्शन आइदर मंथली, क्वार्टरली, हाफ ईयरली और ईयरली. आप हर महीने सब्सक्रिप्शन पे कर सकते हो, आप 3 महीने के एक साथ पे कर सकते हो, 6 महीने की एक साथ पे कर सकते हो, पूरे साल की एक साथ पे कर सकते हो. सो इट कैन बी मंथली, क्वार्टरली, हाफ ईयरली और ईयरली. Now, the subscription is of two types, ordinary subscription or special subscription. Subscription is of two types, ordinary subscription and special subscription. Exams होंगे साफी. So, now first coming to the special subscription. What will be the treatment of special subscription? What is the meaning of special subscription? And then we will come to the ordinary subscription. So as I have told you, subscription is of two types, ordinary subscription and special subscription. So first we will discuss about special subscription and then we will go to ordinary subscription. So special subscription, it is a type of subscription that is received for accomplishing a special task. You have received this subscription for a special task, for organizing specific activity. So, for example, I have received subscription for organizing a tournament. So this is for a special purpose. So this is special subscription. So subscription received for a special task or for specific activity, that is known as special subscription. For example, subscription for tournament, subscription for governor's party, or etc. etc. Nishant, now that is done. Then coming on to the accounting treatment. So special subscription, these are received for a specific purpose, and it is your liability to use that amount for that specific purpose. So special subscription, it is a liability because it has been given for a specific purpose. So special subscription are shown separately on the liability side of the balance sheet, and the expenses attributing to the subscription is deducted from such subscription. So the subscription will be recorded on the credit side, and if any expenses have been made in respect of such subscription, अगर इन सब्सक्रिप्शन से रिलेटेड कोई खर्चा आपने किया है, so that expenses, those expenses, it will be subtracted from this subscription. So special subscription, it is recorded on the liability side, and if there are any expenses related to this subscription, then it will be subtracted. तो आप क्या करोगे? माइनस कर दोगे. For example, subscription for tournament has been received. So you will record that on the credit side, and if there are tournament expenses, you will subtract it from that subscription. No, Anishka, it is not correct. Both donation and subscription, they are recurring in nature. So this will be the treatment of special subscription. It will be recorded on the liability side of a balance sheet. Next, come to ordinary subscription. Now, ordinary subscription means you are receiving it regularly. And you can utilize it. You can use it for any purpose. You can utilize that money for any purpose. So this is your revenue income. You are receiving it regularly. So it is the main source of revenue income which is received from members of NPO. Aditya, what will you take to get the hell out of the class? If you don't want to study, no one is forcing you to come in the session and study. You can leave the class and you can have fun at some other place. So it's a request. Please don't disturb students who are studying. If you don't want to study, it's okay with us. But please let other students study. Okay? I hope that this is clear to you. So, what is ordinary subscription? It is revenue income which is paid by the members regularly. So, it is received regularly and you can utilize it for any purpose. So, this is revenue income and it will be recorded on the credit side of income and expenditure account. You will record it on the credit side of income and expenditure account. The members pay their amount of subscription periodically, as we have done in the meaning of subscription. That subscription is received periodically, either quarterly, monthly, half-yearly, and it is received periodically to keep their membership alive. If they want to keep their membership alive, they will pay it regularly. So this is the meaning of ordinary subscription. Life membership will go on the liability side of balance sheet, Unnati. It is a receipt. It will be recorded on the receipt side of receipt and payment account and the liability side of balance sheet. Now coming on to the most important thing, सबसे जरूरी चीज जिसके बिना आपका चैप्टर अधूरा है. So this is the treatment of subscription, and this is the most important format of this entire chapter. Without this format, you cannot do the complete question of this chapter. So this is the topic that will be coming 100% for sure in your exam. अगर इनका मैंने इस चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आएगा तो ये टॉपिक तो पक्का पक्का आएगा. इट विल कम फॉर श्योर. आई कैन गिव यू दिस इन रिटन. सो नाउ लेट्स सी, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इज दिस फॉर्मेट. है क्या भाई इस फॉर्मेट में? तो चलिए देखते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you will write down subscription received during the year. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या, नेचुरल ब्यूटी, दीपिका, दिस इज द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी सब्सक्रिप्शन. यही है ऑर्डिनरी सब्सक्रिप्शन जो हम कहाँ रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट में, क्रेडिट साइड. यस दिया, ये बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा. So first of all, you will write down subscription received during year. जो भी आपको इस साल सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव हुई है वो रिकॉर्ड करोगे. After that, you will add outstanding at the end of the year. For example, this is your year. This is 1st April 2020 and this is 31st March 2021. अब साल के एंड पे इफ देयर इज समथिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर, इट मीन्स इट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर द प्रीवियस ईयर. अगर साल के एंड पे कुछ आउटस्टैंडिंग है तो वो किसके लिए आउटस्टैंडिंग है? इट इज रिलेटेड टू द प्रीवियस ईयर, एंड द प्रीवियस ईयर इज योर करंट ईयर. प्रीवियस ईयर इज योर करंट ईयर. So this is a part of current year, therefore it will be added. Therefore it will be added. Now if any subscription is outstanding at the beginning of the year, if any subscription is outstanding at the beginning of the year, it means that it is outstanding for the previous year. आउटस्टैंडिंग है तो क्या मतलब है? वो प्रीवियस ईयर के लिए आउटस्टैंडिंग है. इट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर द प्रीवियस मंथ एंड द प्रीवियस मंथ इज द प्रीवियस ईयर. द प्रीवियस मंथ इज प्रीवियस ईयर. सो आउटस्टैंडिंग एट द बिगिनिंग इज सबट्रैक्टेड. आउटस्टैंडिंग एट द एंड, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ करंट ईयर. Outstanding at the beginning, it is a part of previous year and therefore it will be subtracted. So outstanding at the end, it is part of current year, you will add. Outstanding at the beginning, it is part of previous year, you will subtract. Then coming to the advance. So this is your year. 1st April 2020, 31st March 2021. Now, if something is received in advance, at the beginning of the year, अगर आपने स्टार्टिंग में कुछ एडवांस में रिसीव किया है, so it is received for the next month. It is received for next month and next month is a part of your year. So advance received in the beginning of the year is a part of current year. It is a part of current year. अगर आपने साल के स्टार्टिंग में कोई एडवांस लिया है तो आपने वो करंट ईयर के लिए लिया है. If anything is received in advance at the beginning of the year, then it is received for the current year. So it will be added. But if anything is received in advance at the end of the year, if advance is received at the end of the year, then it is received for next month, and next month will be next year. Next month will be next year. So advance received at the end of the year is a part of next year. It is a part of next year, so it will be subtracted. So advance received at the beginning will be added, and advance received at the end will be subtracted. So advance received in the beginning will be added because it is a part of current year, and advance received at the end, it is a part of next year, so it will be subtracted. Now I have explained you the logic, but now it is your choice that you want to learn the concept or you want to learn this format. It's all up to you, because many students prefer learning the format and many students prefer to learn the concept. Now it's all up to you which one you want to prefer. So you will add outstanding at the end and you will subtract outstanding at the beginning. Then you will add advance received in the beginning and you will subtract advance received at the end. After that, you will get your final answer, which is to be shown in the income and expenditure account. It is not advance of previous year. Anishka, it is not advance of previous year. It is advance received in the beginning of the year, which is of current year. It is of current year, not previous year. Okay, Unnati. So now after this, you will get your answer, which will be recorded on the credit side of income and expenditure account. Now, sometime the examiner may ask you to prepare subscription account. Sometime the examiner may ask you to prepare subscription account. And how it will be prepared, let me tell you. Particulars, amount, particular amount. First, you will record, just a minute. So, first you will record amount received. This is amount received, subscription received. 5 और दिन मेघना. Yes, ये अलग से बोला होता है, दोनों में चॉइस होती है. Normally, subscription account is not asked, but if your luck is bad, then the examiner may ask it also. So normally ये नहीं पूछा जाता, but कभी कभार पूछ सकते हैं. So subscription received, it will be recorded on the credit side. This is debit side, this is credit side. Subscription received during the year, it will be recorded on the credit side. Then a hint for all of you, current year item will be recorded on the credit side and other year item, previous year or next year item will be recorded on the debit side. Current year के item credit side पे जाएंगे, प्लस वाले आइटम क्रेडिट साइड पे जाएंगे और माइनस वाले आइटम डेबिट साइड पे जाएंगे. तो प्लस वाले आइटम कहाँ जाएंगे? क्रेडिट साइड. सो एडवांस एट द बिगिनिंग यहां जाएगा और आउटस्टैंडिंग एट द एंड यहां जाएगा, बिकॉज दीज आर आइटम्स ऑफ प्लस और दीज आर द आइटम्स ऑफ करंट ईयर. सो करंट ईयर आइटम जाएंगे क्रेडिट साइड पे and the less item, the previous year or next year item will go on debit side. So outstanding at the beginning and advance at the end, these are not a part of current year, they will go on debit side. And the balancing figure will be the amount that will be transferred to income and expenditure account. The balancing figure will be transferred to income and expenditure account. So this is how subscription account will be prepared. Add वाले आइटम जाएंगे क्रेडिट साइड, माइनस वाले आइटम जाएंगे डेबिट साइड. The balancing figure will be transferred to income and expenditure account. Yes, Monica. In short, add item on credit side, less item on debit side. Balancing figure will be income and expenditure account. So this is your subscription account, which I have told you through a hint. So first we will record subscription received, then current year item, advance in the beginning, and outstanding subscription at the end. These are plus item, these are the add item. Then minus item on the debit side, outstanding subscription in the beginning, and advance subscription at the end. This is not a part of current year. These are the items that are to be subtracted. So less item on the debit side. And the balancing figure will be transferred to income and expenditure account. So this is your subscription account. Yes, it will be given, Anishka, Ariba. Subscription received will be given in the question. Thank you, Anishka. Thank you so much. So this is your subscription account. Now coming on to an example. This is your question which you all, so you can't solve it. There is something new in this. Okay, so now we will be solving this question. So I will be disappearing for a few minutes. Now first we will read the complete question. After that we will start solving. So you can see, Ariba, that subscription received during the year is given 50,000. Subscription received during the year, it is 50,000. Then subscription outstanding on 31st March 2007. हमारा accounting year कौन सा है? Our accounting year is 2007 to 2008. Our accounting year is 2007 to 2008. So subscription outstanding at the beginning is 20,000 and subscription outstanding at the end is 6,000. Subscription received in advance at the 2007 means beginning. Subscription received in beginning is given 8,000. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 2008. This is at the end. Subscription received in advance at the end is 9,000. The most important point is these two lines, which will change your entire answer if you will not read this. Because many students will start solving without reading this, which will give you a wrong answer. Now this is a very important line which says subscription of 1,500 are still in arrear for the year 2006 and 7. Previous year 2006-2007 subscription is still outstanding. पिछले साल की सब्सक्रिप्शन अभी भी आउटस्टैंडिंग है. So in this outstanding subscription, 1,500 is a part of previous year, so you will subtract it because we have to record the items of current year only. We will record the item of current year only. So 1,500 is a part of previous year. So from outstanding subscription, you will subtract 1,500. And from this outstanding subscription also, you will subtract 1,500. In both these outstanding subscription, 1,500 is included. Because वो pay नहीं हुई है, it is still in arrears. It means that it is included in both these subscription. So now, subscription outstanding at the beginning will be 18,500 and subscription outstanding at the end will be 4,500. Yes, Anishka, arrears means outstanding subscription of previous years. So now you will forget 20,000 and 6,000. The new balances are 18,500 and 4,500. Now we can solve the answer. Amount received is 50,000. Amount received is 50,000. We will add outstanding at the end. We will add advance at the beginning. We will subtract advance at the end, and we will subtract outstanding at beginning. So outstanding at the end is 4,500, which will be added. Advance at the beginning is 8,000, which will be added. Advance at the end is 9,000, which will be subtracted, and outstanding at the beginning is 18,500, which will be subtracted. So put the figures in the format. 4,500 and 8,000, it will be added. 9,000 and 18,500, it will be subtracted. Your answer will be 35,000. Your answer will be 35,000, and this will be recorded in the income and expenditure account. This will be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Diya, you have done some calculation mistake. Now tell me, is this question clear to all my students? Yes or no, guys? Is this clear to all my students? Yes or no? Yes, yeah. Super duper clear. Yes, super duper clear. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. We have completed most important topic, treatment of subscription. And yes, you guys need practice. So please take your textbook and now start solving question of subscription. There will be around 3 to 4 minimum question. So you have to solve those questions in homework. Because if you want to become a pro, an expert in accounts, you have to do practice daily. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आज पढ़ लिया चलो बस हो गया काम. मैम ने पढ़ा दिया, but the main thing is your self study, which you have to do after this session. नहीं चांदनी, इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट आपको बनाना होता है, वो गिवन नहीं होता. So, in tomorrow's session at 7 p.m. we will be discussing next topic, that is cost of consumable item. So now see you all tomorrow, in which we will continue this session. I don't have T.S. Grewal with me, Aman. So now tell me, how was your today's class? Okay, those who don't have book, they can download the PDFs from Google. Google बाबा के पास सब कुछ है बच्चों. तो Google पे जाओ, टाइप करो T.S. Grewal question, D.K. Goyal question, and you will be getting all the questions there. Don't worry, डिजिटल जमाना है बच्चों. अब हम लोग ये नहीं बोल सकते कि हमारे पास बुक नहीं है, सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. Thank you so much, commerce students. It was super duper fantastic, nice. Okay, so I hope that you guys liked this class. It was like really balle balle, huh? So now start your preparation of class 12th with us, because we will be providing you all of these amazing benefits that are going to help you for sure in scoring good marks. We will be providing you more than 2,000 hours of live online classes. You can watch unlimited live classes with us of all the subjects whether it is accounts, mathematics, economics, or business studies. Along with that, we will be providing you more than 10 plus teachers having more than 5 years of experience. And all these teachers will continuously focus on your weakness, on your areas of improvement. Also, we will conduct regular test series for you. We will be providing regular assignments to you containing thousands of questions so that you can practice daily. And all these sessions will be conducted in English only. So, if you want to become a pro in commerce, then do join this pro subscription now. The actual price for 1 month is 3,900, on which we are providing 10% discount. So after discount, you have to pay only 3,510. So what are you waiting for? Go and take your pro subscription right now at flat 10% discount so that you can score good marks, and you all can use my promo code for discount, which is SC Pro. So go and use this code and enjoy all these benefits at flat 10% discount. Now, see you all tomorrow. And if you guys want to receive these notes in the PDF form, then you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. And if you guys are new to this channel, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more such classes. And make sure that you like this video and you share this along with your friends. तो अब मिलते हैं कल सेम जगह पर सेम टाइम पे. सी यू ऑल टुमारो at 7 p.m. tomorrow. Till then, thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. So see you all tomorrow at 7 p.m. Till then, ध्यान रखे, पढ़ते रहे, practice करे, and have a good day everyone. So bye guys. Chandni, I'm not able to sing song because I need water, which I have to